Hello, this video is for topic 3, building functions, and it is about learning target 2b, which is understand the graph of an equation in two variables is a set of all its solutions plotted in a coordinate plane. So what this is really focusing on is solutions. And what are solutions and what do they mean? So if I have a coordinate plane with my x and y axes, and there's a line on this coordinate plane, I want to know what are solutions. Well, solutions are any point on this line. So this is a solution. This is a solution. So is this. So is this. So is this. Any point directly on top of the line is a solution. Now, any point that is not on the line, such as this one down here, is not a solution. So none of these green points are solutions because they are not on top of the line. However, we don't always have a graph to tell us if something is a solution or not. Sometimes we have to use the equation. So for instance, take a look at this question. It says, is the ordered pair 2, 4 a solution to y equals 1/2 x plus 3? Now, if we had a graph of this equation, we could look at the graph and ask ourselves, is the point 2, 4 on this line, or is it off the line? However, we're not being given the graph. All we have is the equation. So how am I going to decide if the point 2, 4 is on this line or not? Well, here's what we do. We're going to take our equation, and we're going to replace the x and the y with the ordered pair that we are given. So in my ordered pair, the first number is always my x and the second number is always my y. So that means I need to put this number 2 where the x is. And I need to put this number 4 where the y is in my equation. So what I'd end up with is 4 equals 1/2 times 2 plus 3. I simply replaced the x and replaced the y with the numbers from my ordered pair. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate. I'm going to see, does this side calculate out to be 4? If it does, then this ordered pair is a solution. If it does not equal 4, then this ordered pair is not a solution. So if I calculate this out, 1/2 times 2 plus 3, I get 4. So because it did equal out to be 4, and both sides of this equation are equal, this ordered pair is a solution. So I'm going to write yes, it is a solution. Again, if we had calculated and we got something like 4 equals 10, where the two numbers were not the same, that would not be a solution. But because these two numbers were the same, that's how we knew it was a solution. Here's another question. Is the ordered pair -5, 9 a solution to y equals -3 over 5x plus 6? I would like you to pause the video and try this question on your own, and then start the video once you are ready to check your answer. Hopefully you got that yes, it is a solution. Here's another example. Is the ordered pair 7, -1 a solution to 2x plus 3y equals 18? So this is exactly the same idea. I want to know, is this ordered pair a solution to this equation? So I'm still going to replace my x and y with the numbers from my ordered pair. So my x is going to be 7, my y is going to be -1. The only thing that's different about this problem is the x and the y are in different spots than in the previous problems. But I'm still using the same idea. So if I just take out the x and the y and replace them with the numbers from my ordered pair, I get 2 times 7 plus 3 times -1 equals 18. And I need to check, okay, what happens when I calculate this? Does it make 18 or does it not? It makes 11. Well, 11 is not the same as 18. So this problem is no, it is not a solution. Which again means if it were on a graph, if I had a graph with this line on it, this ordered pair would not be on top of the line. So maybe it would be over there or over here, but it definitely would not be on top of the line. Here's another problem. And again, I would like you to pause the video, do the problem, and then start the video again once you're ready to check your answer. And hopefully you got that this is also not a solution. So as a quick recap, if I want to know if an ordered pair is a solution, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the x and the y from the ordered pair and plug it into my equation. If I plug it into my equation and get two numbers that are the same, such as 8 equals 8, then it is a solution. However, if I get two numbers that are not the same, like 3 equals 5, that is not a solution.